Could that be, Brad Gillis? Come on now. Brad, tell us an Ozzy story. Come on.
Okay. Well, back in 1982, after that tragic death of Randy Rhoads, which is crazy back then, because my father being a pilot, and just something like that happened was unfathomable. But I got called to finish a Diary of a Madman tour, and you know, we went out and we're all over the world actually, and it just threw me in, you know, in the thick of it all. But it was crazy times back. It was crazy times, and boy, I got some Ozzy stories. But what I want to share is like. We were in Dallas, we played the big Texas Jam and summertime in 1982, and we had a couple days off, and Ozzy, as soon as we got there, Ozzy was missing. Sharon's calling around, where's Ozzy? Anybody seen Ozzy? Like, no. Nobody saw him, and then he showed up the morning of the show doing this big, huge festival for 80,000 people, right? And he had shaved his head, and Sharon goes, oh my God! We're gonna get you a wig! So, we went out and bought a couple of wigs, and one that fit him the best. Rudy Sarzo, our bass player, you know, ended up cutting it for him, and you know, Ozzy wore the wig. You know, when he used to go on stage, he had his Ozzy T-shirt on, and he would shake and he would rip his T-shirt off and throw it on the ground, and he goes, I want to rip my scalp off, right? So we all said, well, do it real slow so it looks real, and put this red ketchup, spirit glue, and red stuff all under his wig, and sure enough, he comes out and rips his shirt off and he's shaking. 80,000 people, right? Mainly kids, right? Heavy metal concert. And he grabs his scalp and he starts ripping it off real slow. 80,000 people going, oh. Right? He rips it off real slow and he's sweating, the blood's coming down, the fake blood's coming down. He throws it on the ground. 80,000 people going, ah! So we actually did that, you know, before cell phones and everything. We were able to do that 2 nights. But I tell you, it was crazy times, and that, you know, we ended up doing the Speak of the Devil live record and released that. And Night Ranger had the Dawn Patrol record in the can. We released them around the same week. Rudy Sarzo left to go back to Quiet Riot. I left to come back to Night Ranger. And here I am 42 years later.
42 years later, man. We love it. We're glad you came back.
Same guitar.
Same guitar. Hey, you guys want to hear Brad play an Ozzy song? Let's play an Ozzy song.
Yeah!
You guys want to hear that?
Yeah!
I told you we were just going to have fun tonight. Come on, raise your hands if you want to hear an Ozzy song. Come on, everybody. Sing in the balcony. Come on, everybody. Let's